Hello everyone. So I'm going to deal with the crane assembly components. So right now I'm going to deal with the sixth and fifth one. So sixth is push. So I'll model this. The diameter is 30 and 25. I'll do that. Okay. Part as a template by using this top line as my reference. On it I'll create circle of 30 and one more of 25. Once that is done, again go back by using extrude. I can just I can directly define everything, so let me just edit the sketch itself again. So inside I can add one more, so that's 20. So I'll add the circle, one more 20 like this. Once it is done, green check, come outside, use features, extrude the sketch, I'll remove. The first one should be outside one, only this should be extruded downwards, thickness of 3. Define it. I think both. First should be both. Then okay, by using the sketch again, I'll extrude the only this one, reverse the direction up to 31. Is it exactly 31? I don't know, but not at 31. Anyway, fine. I'm done with this model. So I'll save it as bush. Save. Let's stop here. Okay. Now I'll create new component. This one. Here I'll refer the front plane itself. I need to draw the rough sketch. So rough sketch looks exactly 5. He has added the M12 and M15. I don't know exactly what is the dimension of it. It's 15 itself. It's diameter 22. Okay. I'll keep it same. No worries. I'll just select this. Not exactly from there, from the center. I'll try it like this. Okay. I need a reference line. I'll run it. This should be construction. (22 by 2) and 15 by 2. Once that is done, I need to define this. That is 18. (87 by 2). Okay. Once these are ready, you can just simply revolve it. Before that I need to copy everything, identities with respect to this. Done. Exit, features, reward, this. Simply save it. Fifth one, plate spaces. Plate spaces. Once that is done, I can go with this part. So this is diameter, same thing, I'll do the same again. The component is fourth one, end push. So control N again, part as my template, click OK. I'll select this time top line as my reference. By using circle, I'll draw a circle. The dimension, the first one is 52, the second one is 25, third one is 16. Right, once that is done, I can just extrude them. I'll start, first thing is 5 mm thickness, I need to extrude. Select the workbench, go with features and select that sketch. All the things should be extruded up to 5 first. I'll do that. Once that is done, again I'll refer the sketch, extrude it up to 7 plus 5. Is it? Yes, 12. This one, 12. I think it's correct. Yep. Once that is done, I need to deal with these. PCD is 35. I have drawn this before itself. Let it be. On it I'll write PCD 35. Okay. One more circle I need to place anyway. I'll do that. It's diameter 6. Exactly here. Once these done, I can just make it for construction. Exit, cut out, cut this, up to next. Okay, through all fine. Can use circular pattern. This as a ref, sorry, not this one. This pocket should be respect to this. Sweet. Yep, I'm ready with this. You can save it as third one, hook, anchor, no, fourth one, end bush. Save. END push. So remaining parts I'll do in next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't do like and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye.